Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today a break-even trade, unfortunately, but bias was right. Yeah, the bias was right, target was right. Basically everything was correct, but unfortunately I went break-even. Now, all right. This is the 5th of December, and I am going to show you why I was bearish. So from these two highs here we had SMT. So from this high to this high, and from this high to this high we had a lower high made, this one a higher high made. So NQ made a higher high, ES made a lower high. And so from there I was bearish, right? We already had taken out a pretty significant liquidity. We had a daily profile that was London low, but it was expected to be a New York reversal because we took out yesterday's daily high of day. So because of that, I was expecting a reversal, right? And so from there, you see that we have SMT, which confirmed my reversal idea. So I took an entry. This is not the account. Oh, wait, I took an MNQ. An idiot. We'll go to. We don't really need ES anymore, so we'll go over here. And yeah, I took it right here. We have an entry here. As you can see, it is before that 5-minute close right here. Oh, rather it was just there, but yeah. So we had minutely SMT created as well over here. Let's go back to ES now, actually. I know what I'm looking at right here. So over here we've got minutely SMT, and because of that I had a bigger incentive to short. We created an old block here after sweeping this high, and also creating SMT from that. So of course I was looking for shorts and entered on this order block, stop being at the high and TP being at the lows. Now I got stopped out here because first of all I lost confidence in the trade. It would have hit full TP after a bit of chop, and to be fair, the trades that I take usually that are really good, usually we don't what's it called, it doesn't really hang around that much, right? It really just drops, right? And so when it got over here, let's go back to MNQ, we had respected this 5-minute fair value gap, so this is where I got break even, and we also had SMT. So this is the 5-minute fair value gap that we had, which we respected, and so from there I lost confidence in the trade because we also created 5-minute SMT. Now this could be impulsive. I'm not saying that this break-even trade wasn't impulsive at all. It was completely impulsive. I took myself out at break-even. Why was that? Because I'm not going to blame it on these confidences, but the most part is that my psychology was not there. I probably shouldn't have taken the trade. I mean, not taken the trade, as in I shouldn't have taken myself out but I did anyway, so it is what it is. I need to work on that. So over here we had SMT created here, and also tapping into this 5 minute here that we also respected right on this candle. So price came down into this 5 minute for value gap, came higher into break even. I took myself out there. Let's go back to M&Q, and now we then get a drop down. Now I am noticing more consistency with my trade setups, but the only problem is that I'm not confident in them most of the time, right? In hindsight, I should have trusted this trade, right? But since we are all-time highs, I didn't want to really pick a high, and that's why I was a bit I wasn't that confident in it, because while we were at all-time highs, we also had created 5 minute SMT, and now that I just didn't really like that, or 1 minute SMT rather. I didn't really like that at all. But from here it would have been break even, and then first TP here. Or not first TP. This was first TP. This is second TP, and then my third micro would have been here. I did take it 3 micros, which is better than 1 micro, right? It's not better as in like my rules. It's allowing me to take more trades and be a little bit more confident in them. But this might have been the reason why I took myself out at break even as well, because I was a bit higher size than I was usual, even though the one usual, which is 1 micro, isn't even that much, right? And 3 micros having 0.7, so 7 micros for 0.5%, which would be should be my normal risk. 1 micro is a 1/7 of that, right? And it's gonna take me ages for me to actually come close to the target, which I am 3,600 off, which is not good. Having this account for about 3-4 months, almost 5, I think. Wait, let me check. I've had this account for ages. Still really haven't gone above 50k. We'll see. It's just per trade it's negative $8. I have a negative risk reward ratio. It's just not great. So all time here, we're making steady progress higher, but I just fell off here. And this one I just lost 250 or something like that, because I was in with one mini, and now we've just been trying to steadily increase that profit or this balance. I've had this account for, let's see, start was August 12th, now it's December. I've had this account for 4 months, almost 4 months, and I've only traded 40 days. So out of the 120 days I could have traded, I've only traded 40 days. Minus that 4 times by 4, 16, so 120. 104 days I could have traded. I traded 40 of them, which isn't really that bad, to be honest. But in all fairness, I have learned a lot. Probably not as much as I should have, but I have learned, which is good. But yeah. Anyhow, we came down to London lows over here, and then we reversed to get higher prices. Let's check the 15-minute here to see if there was any longs. In my opinion, longs weren't really valid, especially how we took out this high here. It's just, I don't really have conviction in that sort of trade. Yeah. Oh wait, that's not. Thank you. Okay, so do we have any? Yeah, we did have SMT. How much of it? No, we didn't. No, we don't have any SMT. Yeah, we didn't have any SMT on the 15-minute. Actually, wait. Okay, yeah, we did have SMT, but not as obvious as I wanted, as I would normally want it to be. Now, we created this order block here. So say you were looking for longs today, you'd be probably aiming for this high. I probably want to see a AMD setup somewhere, but to be fair, a lot of the times it just hasn't been happening. So right now we've dropped down a lot. God damn. But yeah, if you were long here, you were really brave. Especially, yeah, we had high resistance liquidity over here. Yeah, I wouldn't really have taken any longs from what, as soon as we hit London lows, probably no longs. That's off the charts. But yeah, as soon as I got taken out at break even, and then I saw this sort of price action here, I was like, nah, it's just not really worth me trading. But the entry over here was probably the best entry, as long as you didn't go break even. This would have definitely been a break even trade because we tapped into that. Did we have any intermediate term highs that could have been put in for a safer stop? No, not really. We had a bit of accumulation here, manipulated down, came higher. That's probably why we did come higher. But yeah, that's it. This is like hindsight, so it doesn't really. It's not really valid for me to say any of these things. Yeah, no, but this is definitely AMD. Anything else I wanted to cover? Not really. I'm starting to take more trades now because I have switched service providers. At school, they blocked TradingView as an app, so I couldn't access TradingView anymore, which meant I couldn't really trade as much anymore, which meant decreased progress, stuff like that. I do have my mock exams next week, and I have a test tomorrow, which I probably should revise for. Anything else? I still will be trading next week. Probably not Tuesday, but we will see. Bitcoin hit 100k. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this trade recap. We have SMT at these highs. We wouldn't really be trading lunch hour, but nah, okay. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.